Namaskar everyone, welcome back again. Today we will talk about parasitic adaptations of helminthes, which is a very important chapter for BSc first year students, for CPET exam and for PGT exam. So let's start it. All we know, helminthes includes two broad categories, that is platyhelminthes and nematohelminthes. Under platyhelminthes group, trematode and cestodes are mainly parasitic form. So before going to discuss the entire chapter, we should know what is adaptations. Adaptations are mainly the adjustment by the individuals or the organisms so that it can sustain or survive in their respective environment. So under adaptations, we will talk about morphological adaptations and physiological adaptations. Under morphological adaptations, we will talk about degeneration of organs and development of new organs. So under degeneration of organs, first we will discuss absence of cilia. So in host body there is no need of locomotory organs. So cilia are completely disappeared from parasitic body. Then absence of epidermis. No epidermal cells are found or body cover will found in parasitic form. Absence of digestive tract. Because the parasites absorb digested food from the gut of the host, so there is no need of any trophic organs or alimentary canals. The fourth point is absence of nervous system. Because the parasites are live inside the host body and a stable environment they acquired from host, so there is no need of nervous system. Then we will talk about the development of new organs. First, the body shape. All we know, fasciola have a leaf-like, flatten-like body structures. Tenia has a ribbon-like body structures. So, this flattened body help them to fit very well inside a host body. Then modifications of epidermis. As we have discussed, epidermis are not found. They are modified into cuticle so that it protects the parasites from digestive juice of the host. Then next, organs of attachment. Presence of suckers and hooks definitely help them to hold the parasite in their respective places. Then reproductive organs. Reproductive organs are well developed in cestodes and each proglottid have their own reproductive organs, and in some proglottids have also two sets of reproductive organs. The fasciola produces thousands of eggs, or ascaris also produce 2 lakh eggs, and they produce their large number of eggs so that they can recycle their life cycle further and further. Some parasites have additional multiplicative phase like radial larva, sporocyst larva, and eggs have also thick cells which prevent from them desiccations. Presence of intermediate host which also act as transmitting agent to their final host. Then come to physiological adaptations. In physiological adaptations, first we will talk about osmotic pressures. Osmotic pressures in parasitic body is equal to the host body. So there is no disturbances in exchange of body water. Then tolerance to absence of oxygen. They are modified to obtain oxygen by anaerobic conditions. In low oxygen conditions, they obtain energy by oxybiotic process. In oxybiotic process, glycogen will be utilized and carbon dioxide, fatty acid will be released. Next point, cestodes stimulate the host gut to secrete mucus which form protective envelope around tapeworm. So host gut also secretes some kind of mucus which also protect them from host digestive enzymes. Gut parasites also secrete anti-enzymes to neutralize the digestive juice of the host. So gut parasites secrete anti-enzymes which will digest or they will neutralize the digestive juices of the host. Thank you so much. This is all about parasitic adaptations of helminthes. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.